So our next question comes from Heather. And Heather asks, how is getting done on an Agile team different from getting done traditionally? And let me start the timer. So the short answer to this question is, well, I mean, in terms of the goal, it's the same. You still want to get done in any case. What's different is why you want to get done traditionally versus on an Agile team. Okay, so to answer this question, I look at success from both angles. What does success mean in both ways? So let's talk about the first traditional way, which is what I call a project mindset. So a project mindset is where success is defined up front from the inside out. Okay, so from the inside, we'll look at three factors: scope, time, and budget. Scope, time, budget. We've probably heard of all three of those, right? Scope is what you need done. Time is how long it's going to take. Budget is how much money do you have to spend. Now, this leads to more business involvement and more task management, because that's how success is defined, is that you're going to get all these tasks done. Okay. The second way is what I'm calling a product mindset. Okay. That is where success is continuously defined and driven by business metrics or business value from the outside in. Okay. What do I mean by that? So from the outside in, it means we're looking at the bigger picture. All right. So for example, what are the users doing here? Right. Meaning, like, are they using these things? What are they using? Are we keeping the users engaged in our product? How much revenue is being driven by the use of these features? Other things like how much can we save while delivering the same superior quality, as opposed to spending way too much and limiting waste, right? So limiting waste, and what that does is it opens up more creativity and you have more frequent releases. Okay. The frequent releases result in earlier feedback. So that's the main difference here, is that we're getting the feedback from the outside to let us drive value. Okay. So that feedback from the marketplace is where we can respond quicker to the feedback to deliver what comes next. Okay. You're focusing more on the outside metrics rather than the task management. Okay. What this also does is it the team then tends to own the plans for then what to deliver next. You're focusing on completing, for example, what we know that the users need rather than what we think that they want. All right, so based on that feedback, we know that they want this next, so that's what we're going to deliver. And when we have less waste on, people management, reporting, and management decisions, then we can focus more on value rather than task management. So that's how getting done is different on an Agile team than in a traditional team. So Heather, thank you very much for the question, and I really appreciate it.